Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse ERP Academy. In today's video, we will understand the fixed asset management process in Lighthouse ERP in a simple and beginner-friendly way. We will see what fixed assets are, how assets are created, how depreciation is calculated, and how asset reports and status can be viewed. What is a fixed asset? A fixed asset is any long-term asset used in business operations such as machinery, buildings, vehicles, computers. These assets are not meant for resale and are used for a long period. Over time, their value reduces, and this reduction is called depreciation. Importance of fixed asset management. Financial accuracy and compliance. System automates depreciation calculations according to accounting standards, ensuring precise financial reporting and tax compliance. Centralized tracking and visibility provides real-time, centralized data on asset location, condition, and status, reducing the risk of misplaced or lost assets. Asset lifecycle management manages the entire process from acquisition, capitalization, and maintenance to disposal, enhancing overall productivity. Improved decision-making provides data-driven insights for optimizing asset utilization, justifying future investments, and assessing the financial health of the organization. Prerequisites. Masters. Before creating an asset, some basic masters need to be defined in the system. Asset group helps us classify assets such as machinery, furniture, or vehicles. Asset class helps in defining depreciation rules and accounting behavior. Asset location helps in tracking where the asset is physically located, such as plant, warehouse, or office. Step 1. Asset creation from purchase. Assets are usually created when a purchase bill is entered for capital goods. Here we can see all asset entries created from purchase bills. In this screen, we define asset details, vendor reference, cost, quantity, asset group and class. Once saved, the asset record is created in the system. Step 2. Asset verification. After creation, physical or document verification is done. This step ensures asset details are correct, quantity and value are confirmed. Verification helps maintain accurate records. Step 3. Asset allocation. Next, the system allocates the asset value properly to accounts or cost centers. This step ensures proper financial allocation, correct accounting impact. Step 4. Asset capitalization. After allocation, the asset is capitalized. Capitalization means the asset officially becomes part of company books and depreciation can begin. Once capitalization is done, asset value is posted. Asset becomes active. Step 5. Depreciation calculation. Now the system calculates depreciation periodically. The system calculates depreciation automatically based on asset cost, useful life, depreciation method. This helps track the decreasing value of assets over time. Step 6. Depreciation posting. After calculation, depreciation entries are posted to accounts. This ensures financial records are updated. Asset value reflects correctly in books. Step 7. Asset status and tracking. Users can check the current status of assets anytime. This helps in tracking asset condition, checking depreciation status, monitoring asset life cycle. Summary. So learners, in this video we understood the complete fixed asset management process. Masters, asset creation, verification, allocation, capitalization, depreciation, status. This process helps organizations track assets accurately and maintain financial compliance. In the next video, we will come back with a new process and understand it step by step in Lighthouse ERP. Thank you for watching. and keep learning with Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy.